Living in California, it's a freaking fire every day it seems. Look at this. Last week there was one over here. Now it's over there. It's like a structure fire though, because it's black. The fire that was over here was brown, kind of whitish. It's usually like grass and vegetation, but that's a structure out there. It's super black. Fire truck's leaving. Here they come. It's actually not that far away. Let's go see what it looks like. Super black smoke. It's either a building or a car. I think it's a car, maybe. Building, maybe? Car? Oh boy. Jesus. We ain't got nothing better to do. Let's park and watch the flames. I probably shouldn't have came and parked over here. They're gonna block this road off. A bunch of cars are on fire, it seems.
Open! Open!
Here comes the water. These guys keep saying that there's Teslas back there on fire. Fire trucks on their way. I thought the fire was going out, but it's definitely not. Three more fire trucks just rolled up. They're gonna cut the lock to this gate and get in. They are all Teslas. I think the fire chief or fire captain's on his way. I could hear a siren in the background. Well, we're getting the fire out. There's the big tool truck. Hazmat. Sheriffs are on their way to the job. Man, this person must love llamas. Or alpacas, or whatever the hell they are. Got a siren on. Oh, another fire truck.